Thank you, sir.
Take your time.
Thank you, sir. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that we are discussing the most important ambassadors of this country. And they are the film folks. Does not matter whether they're from north, east, south, west. They are Indians.
Yes.
I'm so happy that while thanking the President in my speech, I did mention about this point. And I feel vindicated today. I stand here with pride and with dignity for my film fraternity who have represented this country number of times, have won number of awards, and starting from Satyajit Ray onwards. I also want to contribute and say, I know Mr. Rajamouli very well. अरे नीरज क्यों बीच-बीच में इतना जोर से बोल?
Yes, ma'am.
The writer, he's not only the script writer, sir. He's the writer. He is the story. He's the story writer as well. He's a member of this house, and it's a great honor. There have been many, many such people from the creative world who have been nominated here in this house. पहले भी और आज भी.
Yes, ma'am.
सर ये chronic disease होती जा रही है. ये देखिए, आवाज हमारे पास भी है, हम भी बोल सकते हैं. मगर जब कोई सभ्यता की बात होती है तो असभ्य व्यवहार मत करिए.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं है, आपकी बुलंद आवाज है.
नहीं वही मैं कह रही हूँ सर.
You have the distinction to belong to a family that has a terrific DNA for creativity in film industry.
Thank you for your kind words, sir. But मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, ये शुरुआत है. और ये इसलिए है कि भारत देश की जनता को मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ, जिनके खातिर विदेश के लोग आज हमारी जनता को रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं. द मार्केट ऑफ सिनेमा इज हियर. इट्स नॉट इन अमेरिका. थैंक यू.
Dr. Amar